Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm going to show you how to set up a business savings account with Twoguysfinance. All right, it's going to be a really quick video. We're not going to waste much time at all. Let's just jump straight into it. The first thing you're going to need to do is go to the Twoguysfinance website and you want to click on business savings. Now you're going to review the different business savings account options and find the one that best suits your specific business need. And once you find it, you just want to click apply now. And then you're going to need to fill out the online application form. And with that form, you're going to need to provide required documentations. And that's going to include business financial documentation as well as tax return documents. And once that's done, you just want to review and agree to the business savings account terms and conditions. And once that's settled, you're going to receive a business savings accounts decision. And if this decision is approved, you're going to need to review and sign the account documents. Once you have that signed, just go ahead and fund your business savings account, and you can start managing your business finances. Yeah, that's pretty much it on how to set up a business savings account with Twoguysfinance. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.